Hey you guys! So for today's video, I want to show you guys how I take off my makeup. I've never done a video like this, so I'm interested to see how this turns out. As you can see, this is makeup that I have worn clearly throughout the day.
It's not pretty.
This is also going to be basically my skincare routine as well on days where I kind of want to pamper myself and rejuvenate my skin. I also want to show you guys, I got this really cool product in the mail. I've actually tried it out a few times now, and I gotta say it is my new favorite makeup wipe. They are the Face Halo makeup wipes. I feel like, you guys know that scene in Mulan where she's singing, "When will my..." She does like the face wipe thing. Kids in our generation now are like, holy shit, where'd she get that face wipe? I need that in my life, like right now. These are extremely similar to that. They sent me these to try out, which was awesome of them, and I'm so grateful for that because I am honestly really loving these. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and take off this face. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dump this into some water here. It's warm water I'm using. Go ahead and just rinse out all that water. I'm gonna go ahead and come up to you guys just so you guys can see this insanity. Not under my eye yet, obviously, but literally all of my eyeshadow gone. This thing is honestly so freaking cool, and you can use it like multiple times. You can actually wash it in the washing machine. All of my eyeshadow just disappeared onto this thing. That is freaking crazy. You guys, there is all my freaking eyeshadow and mascara. That is insane. Like, barely any effort to take off my makeup. Love this product so much. I've just been raving about it to everyone non-stop. Honestly feel like Mulan when I use this product, you guys. Not gonna lie, that sleeve magic she had going on, I think it was this. I'm pretty sure it was this. Anyway, to continue my skincare routine, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face really fast with some cleanser. Cleanser is really up to you and your preference. I prefer to use a gentle cleanser for my skin. A little tip for you guys for when you guys are cleansing your face, you wanna start out by using warm water. This is going to open up your pores, but when you start rinsing off the cleanser, you're gonna wanna use ice cold water. It's really gonna help your pores close up, and that's also just amazing for your skin when you do this. It helps even skin tone, and it also makes your skin look so nice and plump and healthy. I see a huge difference in my skin every time I do that. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face really fast, and I will be right back. Okay, now I'm just gonna put on my little headband thingy here. No eyebrows. I have dark hair. You'd think I'd have nice eyebrows. Alright, so now when my face is nice and cleansed, I like to go into a face mask, and today I'm going to be using the Don't Look at Me Fresh Face Mask from LUSH. I am obsessed with this fresh face mask, you guys. I see such a huge difference in my skin every time I use this. Never fails me. It's a cleansing lemon juice and scrubby ground rice, and it leaves complexions glowing, which is so true. I feel like every time I use this, my face looks so much healthier, so much brighter. Everything looks all nice and balanced, which your girl needs a lot of the time, you know. It also exfoliates your skin. Today I'm only going to be putting this on some of my problem areas I've been having recently. I've been getting a lot of dryness around here and then a little bit on my forehead as well. So those are the only spots I'm going to be putting the face mask on today. It's so beautiful and blue. And you guys, honestly, the best part, it smells like freaking Fruit Loops.
Oh, it's so good.
Gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on my nose, a little bit here as well. Just on the spots where I've got a lot of dryness right now. That is where I am putting this face mask. And just so you guys know, if you ever do buy this face mask from LUSH, this is one of their face masks that you guys keep in the fridge. It just makes it a lot fresher and lasts longer when you do that. Typically, I like to leave this face mask on for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, the mask has hardened quite a bit. I have a wet washcloth right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this away now. I'm also kind of rubbing it in a little bit too, just so it exfoliates more as well. What I like to use as a toner, I like to use the Thayer's Witch Hazel. It's a aloe vera formula, and it's in rose petal. It is all natural, you guys, and it's honestly the best face toner I've ever used. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a wipe like so. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tone my face. Now for my next step after I tone my face, I like to go in with a serum. So lately I've really been loving the serum. This brand actually went ahead and sent this to me. This is the Ceramiracle First Light the Serum. It is an anti-aging serum for all skin types. I normally have extremely sensitive skin, so I was really hesitant to try this product, but I wound up absolutely loving it. Just went ahead and added a few drops. And then I like to go ahead and just press this into my skin, and I warm it up with my fingertips. And what I found personally, it just generates the serum when you warm it up with your fingertips like that. Next, I like to go in with an under eye cream. My personal favorite lately is the Burt's Bees Intense Hydration Eye Cream. This stuff is so good, you guys. I've seen such a difference in my under eyes. They're usually extremely dry, but I swear by this stuff. I have not had dry eyes since I started using this. Next for my skin, I like to use a pretty hydrating moisturizer. I actually right now have a sample of a moisturizer that I've been trying out that I've actually really been loving. This is a sample of the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair. Go ahead and just put this on my fingers and then really work this into the skin. And now for my last step, for any of those pesky little annoying pimples or red spots, because we are all human and it happens, I actually love putting tea tree oil on those spots. It works so well and I can see a huge difference the next day. The redness is gone. It doesn't dry out my skin. If anything, it moisturizes, but it also gets rid of the redness and brings down the bumps. And it's a natural way to do it. So I always use tea tree oil when it comes to any pimples or redness on my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on my finger and then put this on any spots that I see a little bit of redness or any pimples. And then lastly, you should always hydrate your lips before going to bed or even using a lip scrub. It is extremely important. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and just use a regular lip balm. I am going to be using the Burt's Bees Pomegranate Lip Balm. It is my all-time favorite, and every time I use this, my lips feel so hydrated and healthy. And that is it, you guys. That is my basic skincare routine, I guess. Not really sure what I want to call this video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.